Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn colors name. Red color, sky blue color, dark pink color, brown color, navy blue color, bottle green color, yellow color, orange color. Red color, A for apple. Let's circle the A. Now, let's find out the B. Blue color B. B for bat. Let's circle the B. B. Now next where is C. C. Pink color C. C is for caterpillar. Let's circle the C. C. Now let's find the D. Where is D? D. Navy blue color. D. D for donkey. D for donkey. Let's circle the D. E. Green color E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Let's circle the E. Let's find out F. Who will find the F? Yes, F. Yellow color F. F for frog. Frog. Let's circle the F. F for frog. Next G. Orange color G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. Red color H. H is for house. H is for house. Next I. I is for ink. I is for ink. Let's find out J. Yes, J is here. Bottle green color J. J is for joker. J is for joker. Next is K. K. Sky blue color K. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. Now L will come after K. Pink color L. L is for lion. L is for lion. M will come after L. Navy blue color M. M is for mango. Yummy mango. Next is N. Green color N. N is for nose. N is for nib. N is for nib. Next O. Yellow color O. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. Bottle green color P. P is for peacock. Peacock. Next is Q. Orange color Q. Q for queen. Next I am going to press R. Red color R. R is for ring. R is for ring. Brown color S. S is for snake. S is for snake. Next I will trace T. Blue color T. T is for top. T is for top. Next I am pressing U. U is for unicorn. is for unicorn. Next is V. V is for victory. V is for victory. Next is W. W is for whale. W is for whale. X. X for Xmas tree. X is for Xmas tree. Now Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Last Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zoo. And like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.